Welcome back to Behavior. This is Pink Frog Yellow Boots, working towards achieving holistic health for everybody. When teenagers hit puberty, a lot of changes happen in them, which are physiological, psychological, and aid their adult personality. The major change that happens is building attraction and sexual desire. Teenagers in this time are aided with a lot of information through different sources, which is not bifurcated or age appropriate for them. Also, the source of information is not credible, and the information that they receive may be helpful or guide them into a direction which is not healthy and helpful for them. The major pattern that has been noticed by me is that boys see themselves as masculine with the amount of female attraction they get or can ignite. Also, a major phrase that I hear, a very constant phrase that I hear is, अगर लड़की इंटरेस्ट दिखा रही है तो हम क्यों रेसिप्रोकेट नहीं करेंगे. My simple question is that don't you have a choice on reciprocating or not? Why would you reciprocate? Just because it's a female attraction? To which a major answer is, हम मर्द हैं ना, yeah, we are men. How can we not reciprocate to a woman? It's a very stereotypical mindset that is being ingrained into boys in their teenage that doesn't serve them right in their later adulthood to be in a conscious, healthy relationship. When a man thinks that he has no choice over female attraction and he has to reciprocate or surrender to that attraction to be a man, it's a mindset error. It is important to tell teenagers that the changes that they are feeling are very natural and normal, but surrendering to them or not is something that is going to build their character, that is going to make them in control, in power to choose, and they are capable enough to make that choice. तरुणावस्था में जो बच्चे हैं जो अपने एडल्टहुड की तरफ जा रहे हैं, उन्हें ये समझाना बहुत आवश्यक है कि वो जो अट्रैक्शन फ़ील करते हैं, जो आकर्षण दूसरों के लिए फ़ील करना शुरू करते हैं उस समय में, वो बहुत ही स्वाभाविक और प्राकृतिक है. लेकिन उसके बहाव में बह जाना या नहीं, ये वो खुद चयन कर सकते हैं. वो इतने काबिल हैं कि इसके ऊपर अपना खुद का चुनाव कर सकें. अट्रैक्शन होगा, सेक्सुअल डिज़ायर्स भी होंगी, बट उनके लिए उनको गिव इन कर देना या नहीं गिव इन करना, ये उनका खुद का चुनाव होगा. एंड इसके क्या परिणाम हो सकते हैं, इसके क्या कारण है, ये समझना उनके लिए आवश्यक है. बाहर से जो भी इन्फॉर्मेशन उन्हें मिलती है वो उनकी उम्र के अनुसार नहीं मिलती है. बहुत सारी ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेशन है जो तरुण अवस्था में ज़रूरी नहीं होती है. बहुत सारे ऐसे सबकॉन्शियस पैटर्न्स हैं, स्टीरियोटाइप्स हैं जो मान लिए जाते हैं, जो उन्हें अपना खुद का चुनाव करने से, अपने खुद के बुद्धि का विकास करने से रोक देती हैं. यहाँ पे बहुत आवश्यक है कि वो ये समझे कि जब भी ऐसी कोई परिस्थिति उत्पन्न होती है जहाँ पे उन्हें अट्रैक्शन फ़ील हो रहा है, आकर्षण महसूस हो रहा है, तो वो सोचे और समझे कि क्या इसमें आगे बढ़ना अभी उनके लिए ज़रूरी है, क्या वो इस चीज़ को पूरी तरीके से समझ पा रहे हैं. द बॉडीली चेंजेस दैट दे आर फेसिंग are going to bring a lot of other changes. They will have a long term impact based on what choice they make. It is important to understand and make them understand that they have a choice, and this is where it is time to develop their cognitive functions. When these functions are being developed, the character is being built, be it male or female. They will face attraction, they will face sexual desires, but they have a choice, a power to make a decision on whether they want to go ahead with it or not. Speak to your school counselor, speak to a trusted adult. Do not go to the internet for finding all the information. All the information available on the internet is not credible. Look forward to the source and its genuineness. अपने घर के बड़ों से, अपने स्कूल के काउंसलर्स से बात करें जब आप ये परिवर्तन महसूस कर रहे हैं। ये जितने प्राकृतिक हैं ये उतने ही आपके अपने नियंत्रण में है। जब आप ये बात समझेंगे तो आपके लिए इनसे डील करना और आसान हो जाएगा। Today's video is about giving the teenagers who are transitioning to adulthood the choice, the power to make decisions for themselves, and being informed about what decision they are making. It is about making them know that they have the power to choose, that they are capable of making their own decision and are liable to the results that would come. Men who think their masculinity depends upon female attraction needs to understand that they have their own choice and they can choose which female to be with. Their masculinity, their manliness depends on having a set character and a thought process which brings them a partner who is fulfilling and brings happiness to them. I hope this video helps. If there are any queries, please comment down below. Have a safe week ahead.